Hello, diecast fans, and welcome to the 98th episode of Jim's Magnificent Miniature Motor Cars. We are 2 episodes away from the big 100. And I gotta say, in keeping with my continuing promise to keep unboxing new cars that we've never seen unboxed before, I bring you this mini GT Bentley Flying Spur in a magnificent British racing green, well, verdant according to the box. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. There she is. And I am happy to report that we have a truly brilliant model on our hands here. Oh gosh. Yep. Oh, look at that glorious color. We have another winner for Mini GT here. Bentley, no less. It is always so glorious when somebody gets a Bentley right. I love Mini GT's take on the Bentley Continental GT3. Whether it's the racing version or the road-going version. And I am loving... I'm loving this car as well. Tires don't quite fit as well as they could. A little bit of a quality control issue there, maybe. But it still looks glorious. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. So for that tiny little flaw I spotted just now, this will have to settle for a 9.5. But it is otherwise a wonderful bit of kit, and I highly recommend it, especially in this color. Mini GT being Mini GT, of course it'll come in several other colors, and you know, even Kyosho did that, so you know, no worries there. But for my money, this is, I've seen the other colors, I've seen pics of the other colors, and they're on the website, and for my money, this is the best color you could get for this car. Oh wow, there's a part of me that wishes that the Bentley Continental GT came in this color. The road car anyway. But, well, I love it. What can I say? So 9.5 out of 10. Good work, Mini GT. And we press onwards and upwards. Next up, episode 99.